What if I told you that one of our investors just pulled $66,636 of annual cash flow out of a single Savannah property while living 800 miles away in New Jersey? I'm Julie Gates, and I've been actively investing here in Savannah for over 24 years. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how we made this happen and why most investors are missing out on deals like this. Here's what I see happening. Investors are getting crushed. High taxes in their home markets, tenant-friendly laws, properties that barely cash flow. Meanwhile, they're chasing overpriced hot markets that they see on YouTube. And if you're investing from out of state, most agents don't understand investor math. They'll show you pretty houses and they'll kill your cash flow. That's why when Sean called me from New Jersey, I knew exactly what he needed. I'm an investor myself, as is every other agent on our real estate team. Sean was experienced, but New Jersey was killing him. He needed a landlord-friendly market with predictable cash flow. Here's what we found. We found Sean a 4-unit property in Savannah's historic district. It had been sitting on the market for over 90 days. Most agents saw problems and ran away kicking and screaming. I saw opportunity. Listed at $475,000, we immediately negotiated down to $435,000 due to all of the repairs needed. Before Sean even saw our video showing, we did a full walkthrough, we had professional inspections, and we had multiple rehab bids for him in hand along with rent comps. Sean ended up with a $130,000 rehab budget with $217,000 total in cash invested in this project. The result is $8,000 in gross monthly rent, $5,553 net monthly cash flow after all expenses. That's $66,636 per year, a 30.7% cash on cash return in today's market. This was in 2025, which was arguably a down market for Savannah. Why does this work in Savannah? Landlord-friendly laws, real rental demand from tourism, the port, military, and local colleges, and we're still affordable compared to the other markets that everyone else is chasing. I've been investing here for 24 years and counting. The window is closing as smart money discovers what I've known for decades. The deals I'm finding today won't be available in 2 years. Which brings me to why I'm sharing this case study. I've put together the complete case study of Sean's deal. Every number, every decision, every step. You'll see the purchase contract, rehab budget, rent roll, cash flow analysis, everything. When you download this free case study, you'll be added to our buyers list as well. Because here's what I really want: to represent you in buying cash flowing real estate right here in Savannah. Myself and my team, we find deals like this regularly and we push them out to our buyers list. Our buyers list gets first access to deals that we find, and they also get access to deals that we locate on the MLS, just like this quad. So if you want to see exactly how we turned a problem property into $66,636 in annual cash flow, and if you want us to represent you in finding similar opportunities in Savannah, click the button below. Get the complete case study for free and join our buyers list. There's no catch, there's no credit card, just real numbers from a real deal, a real agent, and a real team of investors who love selling investment real estate. Will you be one of them? Click below and get the case study now. You'll also be added to our buyers list with no obligation. Let us show you why the agents on Team 912 are not your average real estate agents.